Hello everybody and fellow forward lookers. Did some more work on my car today. As you can see the primer on the front fenders, epoxy primer. Well, that was done a while back. I did some wet sanding on the rear fender panel today. Trying to get this paint off. It was like a test paint to see where any more work needed to be done. I had to wet sand it. I felt it was pretty smooth to me, but still I will get a second opinion. I'd rather do that. I just wanted to get enough of the white paint off as I could. But I'm sure there's going to be no more white sanding will be done on this rear fender panel. I'm sure some of you can remember how rusty this all was right here, because I had to my dad had to fabricate a panel and weld that on. Before he did that, I put POR 15 underneath the inner panel, and I did the things like this is part of it off of a 60 Plymouth, but I did some research on those rear wheel fenders on two cars are identical, and they're also identical on the 61 Dodge and as well. So what I had to do was like fabricate the rest of it, and my dad had to weld and fabricate two pieces together. And he had me put POR 15 underneath the panel. My parents also ordered me a trunk mat for this car. So, but I also got to order my trunk panel cardboard kit for the from Gary Goers. And if any of you fellow forward lookers are listening to my video, if you can, I would like to have the correct day-night mirror for my car, because the one I have now does not go from day to night. I'm also looking. My dad said the brake pedal is fine, but I would rather have the correct one on the car instead of that one. If anybody has a spare one of those, I'd like to have one that says power brake on it, if possible. If it doesn't have says power brake, that's fine too. I'm sorry about the mess of the car, but I've been doing some work on it. But right here's my power brake booster, and that one leaks. But I have this one right here is going to be going on the car. That will be easier for me to check the brake fluid on the car. This one from back here. This one some grinding right here. There's some other holes that gotta be fabricated and cut out and fabricated and patched. This has got to be patched too. But I was told the car has been repainted twice, and I don't know who did it, but they did not do a very good job. And I'm not criticizing anybody or anything like that, but I know back in the day that's how they did it, though. And I would also like to find out who the original. I'd like to know who the original owner of this car was too. And I don't know if he's still around. But you never know. It's getting there, but takes time and patience. I just gotta get this off right here so I can start sanding right here too. Here, see, I got some parts I bought for the car. Those are my trunk panel, my kickboards. I got those off eBay, and there's one of them right there. And the other one's back here. I got those off of eBay, and those are in better shape than the ones I got in the car. You notice I got shoot. There's my padded dash. My dash pad's got to be repaired. I got some stuff from Rock Auto, Gary Goaters. I got spare backup lenses, spare backup taillight lenses. I got my blue dots for my taillights. That's my cell phone charger for the car. We'll leave that in there. My fuses in case I need them. Those are my clips. My Alabama thing that's going on the car when it gets done. These I will not be wearing in the car. Oh, there's my right here for the 61. I put that in there so I wouldn't lose it. My moon eyes, my scratch and sniff, do not touch. My forward look sticker. What the heck am I doing that? Ah, shit. Where the hell are they? Ah, there they are. There's my blue dots right there. Those are going to my taillights. All my moon eyes, all my stickers will be going on the car. Oh, dead bird it. My fuses. There's my cell phone charger. I gotta rearrange my glove box again. Oh, fudge. Oh, there's my parking brake. That's the correct one for the car. I'll be putting that on there and take this one off. I'll stick these someplace because I won't be wearing these in the car. I got a style that I found a style that I will be wearing in the car. Here's my steering wheel, done in red and white, but it's got some cracks on it, so it's got some cracks on it, but it's got to be redone. I'm sorry about the mess in the car, but you know how it goes. You use your vehicle, all this paint gets it all dirty. So okay, what else I gotta do? I think I'm done for right now. See some lint on the car, probably some lint, and my 318. I'm going to have to pull that out and repaint it. I was going to do some painting and sanding inside here and paint the interior this black and all that. So I'm going to sign off for now, and thank you for watching.